Amazing facts about crows. Meet the crow, nature's crafty genius. They're not just black-feathered birds, but intelligent creatures, rivaling primates in smartness. Did you know crows remember faces? They recognize friend or foe, demonstrating remarkable memory. Crows use tools too, just like us. From twigs to wires, they manipulate objects to fetch food. Crows are also social birds. They form tight-knit families, looking out for each other, communicating through a complex language. Lastly, crows hold funerals. They gather around their deceased, learning and adapting to dangers. Crows, the underappreciated avian marvels, truly are testament to nature's intelligent design.